and schemes in news that come a lot under the schemes tab only. So I've kind of kept on revising the same things for phase 2. Again, if I talk about how schemes are coming right now, schemes are becoming more application based. So you cannot just read the factual points that are in the scheme. You have to understand that how do you apply those schemes in a particular situation. So schemes are becoming that way. And if you're talking about reports, we had direct descriptive questions for reports. We did not have the easier questions that were given in 2022 and 2021. You have to know the report, very specific parts of the report you have to know to write a descriptive answer. So you have to focus on reports, you have to focus on schemes. There is no other way around. You have to read them through as if it is a descriptive portion of your syllabus. That is one thing. And because I've practiced descriptive writing, I did not find the difficulty to meet the word limit as well. It was, I could do it in the exam.
Right. So as you were, abhi jaise aapne bataya, so means usually in ESI, more of the current questions will be there.
Exactly.
Like even if it's from report or maybe whatever question will be there, it will, and are there any question from static as well, or it's usually from the current affairs only the descriptive that will come?
For the short marker questions, we did have a bit of static portions. Basically, finance and economics, the ESI paper, both of them are overlapping subjects actually. So you will find topics that from ESI that might come in the finance section, or finance topics that might come in the ESI section. And one or two questions you might find it that they are static in nature, but most of it has to be dynamic for ESI. But even in finance, it is tending to become more and more dynamic. So you will find questions that are current topic related. We had ONDC as a question, which was direct descriptive questions, which is current affairs.
Right. But usually in FM, static comes and in ESI comes.
Yes.
But as you have said, कि finance में भी अब थोड़ा dynamic nature दिख रहा है. And one more thing I want to ask, like as you were explaining, you said that you did a lot of application-based questions when you practiced. Right. So I want to ask, like even if the static comes in FM, so is it like application-based questions that comes? Were you talking about MCQs or were you talking about in descriptive writing only?
In descriptive writing also, we've practiced a lot of application-based questions. What happens is when we practice certain kind of questions, it helps us to write in the actual exam, no matter what kind of questions are coming. Static questions you will be able to write directly. You know the topics by heart. You will go and be able to produce it. But when it is something more application-based, it needs you to apply your mind at that time, what you've studied and how will you produce it. So that requires a bit of thinking. So I've practiced that quite a bit. So that actually helped me. When I was writing the answers, it was coming to me easily.